Welcome to the VersiCharge SG family. This video will guide you through the installation and setup of your Siemens VersiCharge SG. The installation process is intended to be quick and easy and should take about 15 minutes to complete. First, you need to find the best spot for your VersiCharge SG. The site you choose needs a Nema 6-50 240-volt outlet within reach of the charger's power cord. Suggested configurations can be found in the user guide. The device can also be hardwired by a professional. If you'd prefer to hardwire your charger, further information can be found in the user guide. The VersiCharge SG extends at least 9 inches from the wall once it's installed. The spot you choose should have enough space to park your EV, walk past the device, and open nearby doors without obstruction. You also need to have an adequate Wi-Fi signal at your installation location so the VersiCharge SG can connect to your network. Once you find your installation site, use a stud finder to locate a stud on which to place the mounting bracket. This ensures your charger is mounted in a spot that will support its weight. Using a 7/16" socket head and drill, attach the mounting bracket to the wall using the 2 lag screws provided. Be sure the lag screws go into the stud. Ensure the circuit breaker is off when plugging in the charger. To attach the charger to the bracket, slide the bottom mounting tab of the charger into the corresponding slot on the mounting bracket and plug the charger into your 240-volt outlet. You'll see the LED indicators on the faceplate light up as soon as power is restored to the circuit. Tilt the charger back towards the wall so the hook on the charging unit goes over the top of the bracket. To complete the installation, insert a screw through the small hole at the top of the charger, locking it in place. Now you can set up your VersiCharge SG account on your chosen device. This lets you monitor and control your charger remotely. To link your phone or tablet to the VersiCharge SG, just download the app. Then open the app and select Register. Select the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Next, enter your user information. Choose a username and password and enter your email so you can receive charger notifications and product updates. Once your account is set up, go back to your VersiCharge SG and check the status of the Wi-Fi indicator. When you first turn the charger on, this indicator should blink red. Once the indicator starts blinking in green, it's ready for Wi-Fi setup. Using your web-enabled device such as a smartphone, laptop, or tablet, connect to the VersiCharge SG wireless network. This network has the letters VS before the name of your charger. The numerical suffix of this charger name is located on the identity label at the top of the charger. Then open your browser and navigate to commission.versichargesg.net. Fill out the requested information to link your user account, your charger, and your wireless network. Remember, the username is case-sensitive. Select your charger's time zone and then hit the Submit button. You should then automatically be disconnected from the VersiCharge SG network. If that doesn't happen, you'll need to disconnect manually. Then use your Internet-enabled device to switch back to your home Wi-Fi network. Now you can log back into the VersiCharge SG app with either the phone app or by navigating to versichargesg.com and monitor and control your charger remotely. Once installation and setup are complete, your VersiCharge SG will look similar to this. The power symbol is lit up along with either a green or yellow Wi-Fi symbol, depending upon signal strength. When you're ready to charge your EV, attach the connector to your car. The VersiCharge SG switches to the Ready to Charge state. You see a solid green halo and the Charge Ready indicator. Most EVs automatically initiate a charge once connected. When this happens, you hear a click from the charger, the halo pulses green, and the charge LED lights up. At any time, you can check the status of the VersiCharge SG with the app. If you need to pause the charge, select the pause button. If you're near the charger, you'll hear a click and the blue pause button will light up. You can also pause the charge directly on the faceplate. When you unpause the charge, the VersiCharge SG returns to its initial charging state. If you plug in your car but don't want to charge it right away, you can set a time delay remotely or by pressing the button directly on the charger. Delays can be set for 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours. The VersiCharge SG also features ground fault detection. If there is a ground fault or short while your car is charging, the unit switches into a fault state. When this happens, the halo starts blinking red and the fault indicator lights up. Your device app will also indicate that your VersiCharge SG has incurred a ground fault. To get out of the fault state, unplug your charger from the EV, then pause and unpause the charger manually. If there is no longer a fault, you'll be able to charge your EV as soon as you reconnect it. If fault persists, reset the circuit breaker in your power panel by turning it off and back on again. We hope this information has been beneficial. If you have questions or need further assistance at any time while using the Siemens VersiCharge SG, please refer to the user's guide or visit usa.siemens.com/VersiCharge.